Hello guys, first you need to open your web browser and search for Moises.ai. After that it's open the Moises.ai website. Then you can sign up with your Google account. You have to sign up in this website to separate music and vocals from your song. After signing to the website you can see a button called Upload. Click on it. Then click Separate Track. Click on this to upload your song from the device. After uploading the file, click on the next button in the below. Select the second one called Vocals Instrumental. Then submit. Wait few minutes to upload. Okay, now you can see the song you upload. Click on it. Wait few seconds to process it. All done. You can see your song is separated to two parts. The first one is vocals and the second one is instrumental.
People say I try too hard. People say I come off really awkward. You know I don't mean no harm.
There is a small button named M on each track, so pressing it you can mute that track. Click it. To save these files to your device, click the Export button in the top. Select Instrumental to save without vocals. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe if you like.